Now, Jamaica's Paralympic team got a boost as they get ready for the World Paralympic Championships in Dubai later this year, as All Smiles Orthodontics and Elite Sports Psychology presented them with training equipment recently. Dr. Jason Scott Hamilton, President and CEO of Elite Sports Psychology, says he hopes that the donation brings improved performances and increases the recognition given to the nation's para-athletes.
Well, we have athletes in the Paralympic team that have more medals than some of our other athletes, and this is in the Olympics and World Champions, but they're not as well known as our most popular athletes, like Dr. Usain, St. Leo Boat. But we're trying to see if we can change that view, because we have some amazing athletes here for Jamaica in the Paralympic.
Now, President of the Jamaica Paralympic Association, Christopher Samuda, says the timing of their donation is critical as they prepare for the Dubai Paralympic Championships in November.
The association is embarking on a serious program to ensure that at the regional and international level we have representation and we have competitive representation. This is going to go a far way, as I said, in conditioning our athletes to ensure that they give of their optimum on the international stage.